cái kan chunam vel pe moye men me min ta sing dik me min khom pe kan lim dia ve na hian farm ho min to pe man hanga he kan khom bang kan chau ni tina kan thut khom na china kan thu ni hi hey ni kirin pe pe hey kan hi ene ko ta lam tang tang ni ya hey hem ami pe han ki per te hamen Anjira hamen jaya ni pehi visually ni ya visually pehi dan lain dei takin kompon kom sei lain nama masa hi na wena ren kom vete ya tum kadom huwa ai kadom kom vele nan ya la ne mani oh kita lepas tanjir Jeje mana accident keting dia na pero kami dua dam paten mu ba ka ka tolong lama no ya amia no hi zo seminar
đủ lắm á đủ lắm á thì lại có bằng chân
mà đừng xin khai
cái thao đấy tụi nó là
cái gì không hay đi mà chụp phượt xe à phật chứ cái gì cái punya lah lại hay đi này
hai từ rồi bây hai
dâu sắm nhật tệ cái về cầm về lên cầm phăng về mobile xe này cầm mình tìm đâu thằng này to hay mà nó chưa mình để tao mình đây tê
ông ạ
anh cứ phải đi đâu nữa nó phải về
udah kan nih kalau
atau kayak kalau
tidak mau saya
Oke. Anh ẩm thực cần hấp cho em. Sen lầu.
Sen tu.
Aku sen duduk nih.
Ikannya.
Ini dua. Ay.
Cái này là làm background cho你们。
Bên trái hi hi tôi rửa cái tên nữa mà rửa sur rửa to sur khut sur rửa sẽ classic trong tour sur nó mình về ham tí sinh chút mấy là rồi bốc xí lâu sinh người mất tục này hay cho mình khai thì hiện sponsoration còn chú phở cho nên người mà hay với nào tôi hình tấm tắc trở lại tôi thì hiện làm chụp qua là anh còn hay anh hi sebab masam na kanton kezingan ini ya mana ni
God share in thee in the days of thy youth, and have thine eyes, but know thou that for all things God will bring thee into judgment. Therefore remove your sorrows from thy heart, and put away evil from thy flesh, for childhood and youth are vanity. With this call, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for this divine meeting, and I do hope the program that has been prepared for you by the Measles will be enjoyed for you. For our opening song, we'll have a special song from the Measles group.
take your mind and concentrate on things like will you be there up there looking for your name? When the Lord is called together, will you be there? Please concentrate. number 8, or is it, what do we call our item?
Number games.
Okay, we have a set of number, but it's a kind of game, and we would like to request assistance from the audience. Then we would like to call out our faculty and respected teacher. Our game is something number, to pick a number, then those who ever pick such a number have to explain how this number has a kind of relation or association with Bible message or people or events in the Bible. So the number, whatever. Before we begin, I would like to give an example of one. Let's say we have written number from 1 to 12. In example, the order is set to go 2 points. Something like that. Okay. It's probably in this type. The number 3 is a very spectacular number. When we get into the Bible, we can get into Revelation chapter 14. When we go to our chapter, the chapter about the 3 angels' message, and that is exactly what we do with the commission. To go out and spread the message of God, and to spread God's message so that every person will get to know His word. And this is our commission. And then that takes us also to John 14:1-3. Tells us that God has got a prepared place for us. And so we need to go out and tell people that God has got to prepare a place for us. We have to fight.
And any of you guess where number 5 is used in the Bible? Okay, that is there is a David somewhere here. You remember taking 5 swords that he used to kill Goliath. Bible was telling me that there were 5 foolish virgins and 5 wise virgins. Are you here somewhere? We have a story in the Bible, isn't it? Okay. 5 is also the number of books that are called the Pentateuch, which Moses wrote. In the 5 books, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. And then the last, I remember, Jesus performed the miracle where he used 5 loaves of bread to feed the 5,000. And you know, bread is very important, food. But you know that bread, or food that we eat, represents Jesus, who is the bread of life. So
Something else, all of us will sing one famous song. The number is 8. So I mentioned the 8th book of the Bible, Ruth.
Okay, I think that we can think of a song that we all can sing together at the end of our presentation. Thank you. You can think of
This is number. I got 12 numbers. When you see the Bible, 12 number is very, very common, I should say. There are so many 12, but I cannot mention all. I will, first of all, I will mention 12 disciples. As you all know, 12 disciples are the one who lead everything in the Bible.